This is a DynoCapture 2.0 time-lapse video recording of a sprouting green bean. The time-lapse feature in DynoCapture 2.0 is fully customizable with no minimum or maximum time limitations. Studies lasting several seconds, hours, days, to even months can be recorded with crystal clear images in 1.3 and 5 megapixel resolution. The built-in LED lights provide a long-lasting and powerful light source while producing very low to no heat emission levels. The LED lights can be toggled on and off through the software and are available in different wavelengths. The portability of this scope will allow you to achieve any and all angles of inspection possible, and we do provide flex arm stands to steadily hold the most obscure angles of inspection. With different models providing different magnification powers, some varying from 10 to 220 times the magnification, and others fixed at 500, and many in between, this will allow you to focus on the smallest detail or get the whole environment into view. This sprouting of a green bean has been recorded with the DynoCapture 2.0 time-lapse video mode.